Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARGS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis, I can't remember the last time, but that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. So definitely some updates here need to be done, as it was a very strong afternoon. You can see down there, that's when the volume essentially picked up quite a bit. First, I'm going to do a little house cleaning, get rid of that line right there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be made comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the previous videos, hopefully you remember me talking about right around $1.15 as that level of resistance, but now that the price is right up around that area, I would consider it an area of support. Now, I say right up around that area because, yeah, technically speaking, you're saying, wait a second, Clay, the price is below that green line. That is true, but the thing to remember about supports and resistance levels is they're not exact specific prices. They do, contain a range element. So sure, the price is still below it, but it's still well within the range of this area of support. So I'm going to give the $1.15 of the benefit of the doubt right now and still consider that a level of support. Now, if tomorrow the price just continues to bleed and pull back away from it, well, then at that point in time, $1.15 would be, considered a resistance level once again. But as it stands right now, I'm going to, keep it as a level of support. So, going forward, definitely, I'm not saying the price has to go up to $1.30 or anything, but just any sort of sideways price action, which would, kind of solidify that this level is indeed now a new level of support, would be a good sign. With all that being said, though, even if the price does fall below that level, by no means am I saying the entire chart would be ruined, because from the big picture point of view, the price is still well up above this purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. And, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then from a big picture perspective, the bulls are 100% in control. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are currently hanging out at, key level right now looking to be right up around $1.25. So anyway, slice it, nice move today. Now just a matter of can the bulls continue to make progress going forward. And again, the easiest way to quantify, quote unquote, make progress, just stay above that purple line as the line moves higher and higher. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.